Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will teach you about the work conditions and benefit and also about the general shopping vocabulary. So as you remember, in the previous lesson, we have seen about the workplace and office terms and also about the workplace position and roles. So let's see today's topic. So the general shopping, the work conditions and the benefits, work condition and the benefits. So live or rest. Live or rest. It means in Amharic እረፍት. Rest means እረፍት or እረፍት. And annual leave, it means in Amharic የዓመት ፍቃድ or የዓመት እረፍት. And maternity leave, it means in Amharic የወሊድ ፍቃድ or የወሊድ እረፍት. And overtime, it means in Amharic ተጨማሪ ሰዓት. It is additional time. ተጨማሪ ሰዓት. Insurance, it means in Amharic ዋስትና. Insurance means in Amharic it is ዋስትና. And pension, it means in Amharic ጡረታ. It means in Amharic ጡረታ. And work contract means ስራ ውል. Work contract in Amharic it means ስራ ውል. And it is resignation, it means in Amharic መሰናበት. Resignation means መሰናበት. It means መሰናበት. And termination, it means in Amharic ስራ ማቋረጥ. Termination means it is terminating a work or terminating a job from one organization. It means ስራ ማቋረጥ or it is termination of work contract. So ስራ ውል or ስራ ማቋረጥ. Termination it means ስራ ማቋረጥ. And job security, it means የስራ ደህንነት. Job security it means የስራ ደህንነት. So this is all about the work condition and benefit. And the other issue is about general shopping vocabulary. So what are the vocabularies used in the shopping area? So shopping area, what are the vocabularies? So the vocabularies like market, it means in Amharic ገበያ. Market means in Amharic ገበያ. And shop or store, it means in Amharic መደብር. Shop or store, it means in Amharic መደብር. And supermarket in Amharic it means supermarket. It's the same pronunciation and the same sound. Supermarket. And customer, it is ሸማች. Customer means ሸማች. Customer means it is ሸማች. And seller or vendor, it means ነጋዴ. Seller or vendor, it's like merchant. Also the same. So seller or vendor or merchant, it means ነጋዴ. And product, this product means it means ምርት. Product means ምርት. And item, this item means in Amharic እቃ. Item means እቃ. It is a thing that we buy. So this item means እቃ. And a goods when it is plural. So the plural form of item or goods it means እቃዎች. So it is a plural form of item. So goods means እቃዎች. So እቃዎች. And it is shopping cart. It is shopping cart. It means in Amharic የግዢ ጋሪ. And it is shopping bag. It is shopping bag. It means in Amharic የግዢ ቦርሳ. So this is all about today's lesson. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. So see you to another video. Bye.